Welcome to another quick Uniview software tutorial brought to you by ACS All CCTV Supply. Today I'm going to show you where to find and how to download the Uniview EZ Station software. You can use this software on any Windows PC as long as you have Windows 7 or newer to gain access to your cameras, your NVR, your hard drive information, and pretty much everything else that is regularly available on the NVR itself. And since this is a VMS or video management software, you will also be able to edit and share your content. We will begin today by opening our internet browser. We'll be using Internet Explorer, though I've had luck with many other internet browsers. You can find the software a number of ways, a few of which include going into Uniview's website and navigating through various pages, or just Googling the name of the software. But for the sake of convenience, I am going to leave the link in the description below. It should always be one of the very first listings. After opening it, it'll take you directly to the page where you can read about the features, the specifications for the download size, and the downloads itself, depending on what you need between Windows 64 to Windows 32. You've also got the Mac download, and I do recommend reading the software user manual if you do intend on installing Uniview equipment. After selecting the appropriate download and getting it all set up, you should be able to open it, log into the admin, which is always just admin with the password of 123456, and you will be able to use your software accordingly. Thank you for watching. If you have a recommendation for another security tutorial that we can cover here at ACS, please let us know in the comments below, like, and subscribe.